Hi, my name's Michael, and today what I want to do is explain one of our solar car kits called the MiniSprint kit. And this kit provides as much flexibility as we can with being able to vary wheels and gears and solar panels, and I think it really fits into the STEM side of education pretty well. So what we're going to do is a series of short videos explaining the various ways to put this kit together. But first of all, let's start off with explaining all the parts that you'll have inside your packet of goodies. So let's look at the parts down here and see where we get to. So you can see that all the parts that you should have in your packet is nicely set out here on the table, and I'm just going to go through them briefly. So we've got a whole range of wheels here. We've got 8 wheels. So we've got 4 large wheels and 4 small wheels, and this gives you the ability to vary the wheel size for the kit that you might design eventually. We also have a couple of axles here, and they are different lengths because that'll be explained a bit later. We have our gears that are hiding in here, and just so you might be able to see them more easily, we have 2 large spur gears and 2 small pinion gears. Now each of these have different gear ratios that we can combine for our kit. We also have, and I'll put this back in the right spot again, the motor, and in front of it we have a white motor mount, which is one of the ways we help to fix the motor to our kit. Coming back towards the back here, we have our 4 axle collars, and they help with the mechanism of keeping the axles in the right place on our kit. We have a switch, which is a two-way switch, or three settings. The center is off, and then we can connect either one way or the other way, and I'll explain later how that works. A battery pack for 2 AA batteries. We have some double-sided tape here to hold the motor in place. We have a whole series of little connectors that you can use to connect the wires for your kit, plus some double-sided tape here to hold the motor in place, a cable tie, 4 alligator clips, and then we have the 2 solar panels and some tape here to hold the panels in place. And then hiding underneath the panels is the blue sheet here of core flute, which is actually the chassis for our car. So it's the base building block where we put all these components on our car to make a car. And then the last 2 things we have is there's always a set of instructions where it may be one for a bunch of kits or one for each kit, depending on how we've packed the kits for you. And in our kits we don't individually give each kit a set of these wooden blocks, but if you have ordered a bunch of kits, we would supply a number of these wooden block sets, which we use then to help put the car together. So that's the components that you'll need. Some are going to be left over at the end, but it gives you some variety to mix and match and end up with a solar vehicle that will hopefully give you as much flexibility and learning as possible, and we'll see how we go from there. So now we're going to explain the steps of how to put all this together. So let's see how we go.